Sound and electromagnetic waves, not the same thing. Sound is a mechanical wave. It needs a medium, like air, water, or solid, to travel. No air is no sound. That's why space is silent. Electromagnetic waves, like light, X-rays, and radio waves, don't need a medium. They can travel through empty space. In short, sound equals vibration through stuff. EM waves equals energy through space. Sound travels slower, around 343 meters per second in air, but light, it moves at 300,000 kilometers per second. Insanely fast. That's why we can see stars, light, but not hear anything in space. Light wins the long-distance race every time. Which one would you rather control, sound or light? Comment below and subscribe for more smart shorts.